Hi friends, so today we're talking about rollers. Rollers are absolutely amazing. You buy them empty like that on Amazon and then you fill them up with a carrier oil and your essential oils. So the purpose of a roller is for you to apply it where needed at the time that you need to the particular area that you need. So if you're making a roller for sore muscles, apply on your sore muscles after the gym. If you're making a roller for immunity, you're gonna wanna apply it under your feet to hit all those VitaFlex points that are going to hit all the organs in your body and along the spine. So then all these nerve endings will reach all the organs in your body. That's for immune support. If you're doing a roller for emotions, you're going to be wanting to wear it like a perfume. So around your ears, on your wrists, on your neck, even on your clothes, like on your undershirt and things like that. So you can be breathing it all day long. You can roll it on your diffuser jewelry as well, so that you can be inhaling those essential oils, and so they reach the limbic system part of your brain, which is the control center for emotions. So today we're going to make a few different rollers. I'm going to show you how it's so super simple. I buy these rollers on Amazon, and you can see they're kind of beat up because they get empty and then I refill them. The blue ones in my house are for general wellness, so immune support, respiratory, things like that. And then I like to use the color ones, like a different color for either my face serums or for emotion support. Or like here we're going to make emotion support and sleep roller. And then we're going to make a roller for ears. If you have children who have ear trouble frequently, this is a great one to apply at the front of the ear and behind, and you want to go all the way down the lymph nodes right here. And if it's a lot of ear trouble, then you're going to rub this on a cotton ball and put that cotton ball over the ear. Never directly into the ear, but on a cotton ball over the ear, taped overnight, and it just works great for my kids. Okay, so let's start with a immune boost roller. So I'm going to just open it like this, and this one does not have the top one, so let me grab another one. Yes, so you just open it like this, and then when you flip it, the top comes off. And I always start with my essential oils first, and then I top with a carrier oil. This one is fractionated coconut oil, so it's coconut oil that's been broken down, so it stays liquid all the time. So I'm going to use Thieves essential oil. It's a blend of 5 different essential oils together, and they form a synergy, and they're more than the sum of their parts. So with essential oils, it's kind of like doing 1 + 1 = 3 or 1 + 1 = 5, you know, because they potentialize each other. For grown up, I use 30 drops of essential oils total, which you can totally eyeball in there. Like I do like around 1/3 of the roller with essential oils. And then I'm going to add lemon. Thieves already has lemon, but lemon is just a great way to get rid of little microbes, and also it smells just amazing, so refreshing. And last but not least, oregano. Oregano is a powerhouse, and a lot of people call it a natural antibiotic. It's been studied for its action against bacteria and virus and parasites and fungus. So a lot of things. So I'm only going to use 5 drops in here of oregano. And oregano is an essential oil that you want to be diluting because it's very strong. Unless you're using it on a specific part of the body, which I can send you a private message about because I need to stay compliant on here. And then you just top with fractionated coconut oil and put the top back on, which is in here. Press it down, and that's your immune boost. So this is the one that we apply all year long along our spine and under our feet every morning and or every night, and then we stay well throughout winter. If you're already unwell, apply this every hour. Okay, that's your immune boost. Over here, now I'm going to make a ear trouble roller. As you can see, I already wrote ear trouble on the whole washi tape. That's just how often we use it. And this is a bottle of essential oil that was empty, and so I decided to recycle it and use it as a roller. These little roller tops, Young Living sells them separately. They're 10 for $10. So for ear trouble, you want Melrose, which is melaleuca, rosemary, and something else, clove and niaouli. So yeah, amazing oils. And I'm going to add tea tree, amazing, and lavender. And these oils are gentle enough that they could be applied pure. So this one, I'm going to do basically 2/3 of essential oils and then the last third fill with fractionated coconut oil. I love the Young Living essential oil blends because they're ready to go. You don't have to research and do the math and think, oh my gosh, what oil goes with what? So Melrose and Purification are great even if you use them just by themselves for ear support, front and back of the ear. But this one, I'm just going to boost it. And I just love the smell of tea tree. I used to hate it. Like, it was a really strong smell for my nose, and I absolutely adore it. So you can see I'm not really counting, I'm just eyeballing. So when it reaches like 2/3, half or 2/3, I'm going to call it a day and top with fractionated coconut oil. And I keep this one in the kids' bathroom upstairs. All right, I'm a little over half in here. Oh my gosh, it just smells so dreamy. And then top with fractionated coconut oil, and this is a good blend for any age. So if your baby is rubbing their ear, you can apply it on their ear, give them something to play with while you're doing it so they're not like putting it in their hands and then rubbing their eyes or something. You don't want them to put it in their eyes, so just like hold their hands and then mama rub it. I'm gonna show you exactly how it goes on. So you roll it in front and then back of the ear and all the way down the lymph nodes, and this is how you rub it, front and back, up and down until it goes all in. That's it. And then you do it on the other side, and the relief is just, for my children, is immediate. So ear trouble relief. Now I'm going to make a spring support. So in the spring there's lots of flowers that are blooming, and that can bother us sometimes. And the perfect mix for that is lemon, lavender, and peppermint together. And you can also add a little bit of tea tree if you have trouble in the fall with the moisture in the air. This is for spring, so I don't need tea tree. But you can also add copaiba, which is upstairs, so I don't have it here. But equal parts lemon, lavender, and peppermint together, LLP. Perfect for seasonal relief. Same thing, like 1/3 to 1/2. And then this one you're going to rub on your, like around your sinuses, so on your cheeks, along the bridge of your nose, on your wrist so you can breathe it. This is a great combo to put in a diffuser as well, and on the air vents in your home. But that's a great roller. I'm not going to show you because you've seen me do it before already. And now I'm going to make my sleep/emotion support roller, which is empty, so I'm going to fill it back up. And for this one, I'm going to use Valor, which is a blend of oils and flowers and herbs that were used by Roman soldiers before going into battle. So this is your bravery oil. This is your I'm strong, I'm brave, I'm courageous essential oil. Just gonna add Valor to it, and it's blue because of the essential oil called Blue Tansy. I don't know if you can see how blue the bottom is. Blue Tansy is a cousin of chamomile, which is a natural sedative, and it's been used for centuries for babies to help with their teething and their sleeping and all of that. I used to put chamomile in Charlotte's evening milk bottle just to help her sleep at night and just fall asleep and stay asleep and have sweet dreams. So first Valor, and then I'm going to do cedarwood. Cedarwood will stimulate the pineal gland in the brain, which helps produce melatonin. So if you want a good night's sleep, this is your best friend, cedarwood. It's a combination that you can also diffuse. A little bit of cedarwood, and then I'm going to add some lavender as well. Other great oils for emotion support, like in stressful times or when you're feeling frazzled, are white angelica and peace and calming. Amazing essential oils for that. See how blue it is? It's just so pretty. I just love it. That's just gorgeous. And now fractionated coconut oil. And that's my emotions tamer / sleep roller, which looks like a Smurf roller. It's blue now. It's so pretty. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you for rollers. And when I make serums for my face, I don't use coconut oil because It has a tendency to clog the pores of the skin, so it's not ideal for your face, but anywhere else in your body is totally fine. All right, you have a wonderful day.